Hello friends, this is Vishwa here, and in this video let us see how to clean install a Windows operating system. So for this to work you need a pen drive and an internet connection. So there are two types in clean installing Windows operating system. First one is that you're going to format your C partition where your OS is installed and then rewriting in it. And the next one is that you're going to format your whole hard disk as if how it was when you bought your computer. So let us see both the methods in this video, and without wasting any more time, let's get started.
So here's my computer, and if your computer is not accessible, let it be your temporary computer for this procedure. So head over to any of your browser and type in your operating system. Let it be Windows 8.1 in this case. Let me search for Windows 8.1 and type in Media Creation Tool, and you will get the first page from Microsoft.com. Get into it and you will see a page similar to this, and now you need to select your edition. You can select your own preferred edition and then tap on confirm. You will get this page where you need to select your product language. Let it be English. Now we need to press on confirm and it will let us download an ISO file. Now we need to select 32-bit or 64-bit. To select this, if you are confused, just head over to your My Computer, right click it and then select on properties. You will find something over here. As you can see, this is the 64-bit version, so I need to download a 64-bit version for my PC. But if your computer isn't accessible and you don't know which bit version to choose, just choose 32-bit, which is supported for almost all the computers. Now let me select the 64-bit download, and in the corner you can see that Windows 8.1 English 64-bit ISO is started to download. Now head over to another tab and search for Rufus. This is a tool used to extract our ISO to our pen drives so that you can install it on our computers. Just head over to the first page and then tap on the first link, which is the download link. It is about 994 KB and you need not install this one. This is automatically bootable, so we need not install this one. You can directly use this application. Now this application will open, but we need to wait for the Windows 8.1 ISO to finish downloading. So let me wait for the download and I will meet you soon. Now as you can see, the download is completed. So next up, head over to the Rufus app which we opened recently and then plug your USB pen drive to your computer. Now that the pen drive is recognized over here, you need to select your ISO file. So here's the select button, tap on it and then you will get this dialog box. Select the downloads or wherever the ISO is stored. You can see that it is showing over here. Let me double tap it and select it. Now it will show you all these other options which are selected by default whenever you select your ISO file, so you need not tinker over that. Now whatever we need to do is just tap on this start button and then it will say that our pen drive will be formatted. So all we need to do is tap on OK and the process will be started. As I have already did this process, we can directly jump over to that step. When you are doing this, just tap on OK and it will start the process and it will extract the ISO to your pen drive. Now when that process is finished, when you open your pen drive, you will see some files similar to this. Now if you see these files, you are good to go and you can just eject your pen drive and then close your computer. Now you need to get to the computer in which you are going to install this operating system. For me it is going to be this same computer, so let me just shut it down and then insert your pen drive to your computer in which you are going to install the operating system and then turn your computer back on. You will find something similar to this screen where you need to enter your BIOS. I have pressed F2 to enter my own BIOS. It will be differable for each and every computer, so you just need to find out which button is used to open your BIOS. So after that you need to select your pen drive, which is over here for my BIOS, and it will differ for your BIOS. So you need to select your pen drive and double tap it, and it will ask whether you need to save the changes before booting to that pen drive. You can just tap on yes and it will boot to your pen drive. Booting to your pen drive differs from each and every PC, so take your manual and try to find your button to open the BIOS and then boot to the pen drive. Now as you can see, I have got this screen where the Windows setup dialog box is open, and we need to select the language and time and currency format. Let me select it to English India as we are in India, and then tap on next. We need to select install now, and as you can see, it is asking for the product key you need to enter. So if you have the product key, you need to enter this over here and then tap on next. Now after you have entered your product key, you need to accept this terms and conditions obviously, and then you need to press custom over here, as if you press upgrade you need to have your previous Windows over here. So without doing that, we need to press custom, and we will get a list of all the partitions we have. So the main problem over here is that we need to select the proper partition in which the OS is installed and then formatted. So for those who are ready to format their whole hard disk, they can just tap on delete and delete all these partitions, and then again create a new partition and then install your operating system on that. But for those who need to install their operating system in only single partition and want to keep their other partitions safe, you need to find your own operating system partition with the total size or free space with anything like that, and then you need to install on it. Now if you want the OS to be installed on this partition, just select on it and tap next, and the installation will be started. And from then all the other things will be self-explanatory, and then your OS will be installed and you will be able to get into your computer easily. So that's it, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you have been helped from this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any queries or doubts, just comment down below and I will be able to reply it. So if you want to share this video to your friends, hit the share button, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.